Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make light in Roblox. First, open Roblox Studio and insert a part into your workspace. This part will serve as the source for your light. Next, add a light object to this part. You have three main types: point light, which emits light in all directions like a bulb; spotlight, which casts a cone of light like a flashlight; and surface light, which illuminates from one face of the part, similar to a screen. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you have a light source, it's time to customize its properties. You can change the light's color to any hue you desire. The brightness property controls the intensity with a default value of 1, but you can increase it significantly. The range determines how far the light extends, now up to 120 studs. Enabling shadows adds realism by making objects block the light. For spotlights and surface lights, adjust the angle for beam width and face for direction. Beyond individual light sources, Roblox Studio offers global lighting effects to enhance your environment. In the lighting service, you can add effects like bloom, which creates a beautiful glowing aura around bright parts. Sun rays can simulate realistic light shafts from the sun, adding depth to outdoor scenes. Color correction allows you to fine-tune the overall color balance and contrast of your game. For advanced atmospheric realism, consider adding an atmosphere object to create haze and glare. For optimal results, always anchor your light-emitting parts to keep them in place. For point lights, using an attachment instead of a part can offer more precise light positioning. Explore the lighting technology property, such as Future for high-fidelity lighting, to match your desired visual quality. Remember to balance the number and range of your lights to maintain good performance. Experiment with various light combinations and effects to achieve truly unique and immersive visual styles in your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.